The 6-minute cybersecurity masterclass. Protect your digital life. Follow me in this video to know all these things. The invisible wear. System hacked. Red alert. I'm very sad. Very stressed. Very angry. My computer was hacked. All data is stolen. Right now, an invisible wear is happening inside your devices in the digital world. Every second, thousands of bugs are trying to crawl through your firewall, while hackers use phishing to trick you into handling over the keys, the keyboards. But how do you stop them? Is it biometrics, group policies, or just good code? In the next 6 minutes, in this video, we are breaking down the ultimate cybersecurity in just seconds or minutes. Let's go into who are you, your identity, access, your digital ID card, and fingerprint scanner. All this can be damaged or stolen, or take your bank account and steal what's in it for money. First, we need to talk about entry. Authenticity. Authenticity is proving you are who you say you are through your username and password, like showing your ID. But authority is different. It's what you are allowed to do once you are inside. You might be authentic as an employee, but you don't have the authority to see the principal's email. To make this foolproof, we use biometrics, using your face thumb or iris as a key that cannot be stolen. And for big companies, they use group policy. Think of it as a master rule book that automatically tells thousands of computers exactly what they can and cannot do at once. The enemy at gates, streets, Trojan horse entering a gate, and a phishing hook pulling your password, your ID card number of your bank. Now, let's meet the villains. Security threats is the big umbrella. Under it, we have hacking, the technical skill of breaking locks. But most hackers don't break in, they trick their way in through phishing. That's the fake email asking for your password. Once they are in, they drop malware. This is malicious software designed to spy, steal, or lock your files for ransom. It's a digital equivalent of a hidden spy in your basement. The shell defense. The firewall. It's filtering your green and red data packets. How do we fight the pack? Meet the firewall. Design the firewall. Arrange your firewall. Adjust the ports. Control your gates. It's your digital security guard, standing at the border of your network, checking every piece of data. If it looks suspicious, dangerous, the firewall kicked it out. But a guard is only as good as a building design. That's software security. We have to build apps, applications to be secure by design. Why? Because of bugs. A bug is just a mistake in the code. But to a hacker, it's an open window they can crawl through. The secret weapon, the good code, the good application, protected for bugs from bugs. A clean, organized block of code, glowing gold. The ultimate defense. It isn't a fancy app. It's a good code, clean, logical, and well-tested code. Leaves no room for bugs or exploits. When developers write good code, they aren't just making an application work. They are building a fortress and does not need thousand patches later. The outro, visual. Host back. Be confident. Cybersecurity isn't a one-time setup. It's a habit, from checking your authenticity to writing good code. Every layer matters. Which of these surprised you most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to update your group policy, or at least your password. See you in next video. Please subscribe to the channel and write any question, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks.